Hi parents, don't skip the video, you will find some interesting scenarios.
Mom,
Yeah.
I was waiting. Mom,
Tell me, I'm listening. Tell me.
I was waiting. Then I. Mom,
Tell me, Adi, I'm listening. I'm doing something. You can tell me, I'm just listening.
Mom, I was waiting. Wow, good girl.
Wow. Then?
Then, if you concentrate, you will really practice to write. Then you take all the money prize.
Wow.
But if you don't read, you never get. You get zero.
Correct.
If you play,
Instead of half listening, it can be discouraging to try to get through to someone who gives only lip service to listening. It's much easier to tell your troubles to a parent who's really listening. Sometimes a sympathetic silence is all a child needs.
Nyala?
today I was writing in an exam like I lost my pencil. I was kept in my pouch and then it was not there.
But how many times I've told you to keep it inside your pouch?
I kept in my pouch. The zip was open.
No, Ella, that is not the thing. I keep telling you don't lose it. You should be very careful. That's not the thing you do all the time. You have to keep it in your pouch.
I gone to the washroom.
No, Ella. No. No.
Huh? Today I was wanted to go to school.
Hmm.
Then I was writing the exam and then when I gone to the washroom. Then I just play. Then
It's hard for a child to think clearly or constructively when someone is questioning, blaming, or advising him. There's a lot of help to be had from a simple ho, or I see. Words like these, coupled with a caring attitude, are invitations to a child to explore their own thoughts and feelings and possibly come up with their own solutions.
Mom, it broke.
What happened?
I
How?
was coloring, then it broke.
But you should be careful, right? In whatever you are doing. Okay, maybe you do it again and you do it again, it will be fine.
No, I want to sleep.
How can I give you this? This is stone. I cannot do anything.
Mom, it broke.
How?
I was painting, then it became wet.
Okay. But I know it hurts, right? You have done something and it is stone. I know it hurts. So let's do one thing. Let's both of us go and make a new one. Okay?
Okay.
It's strange when we urge a child to push a bad feeling away. However, kindly, the child seems to get only more upset. Parents don't usually give this kind of response because they fear that by giving a name to the feeling, they'll make it worse. Just the opposite is true. The child who hears the words for what she is experiencing is deeply comforted.
Mom, I want more chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
It's not there at home.
But please.
It's not there at home, Ala. If it was there, I would have given you, but it is not there at home. Now you're acting like a baby, Ala. You're acting like a baby.
Mama, what?
You want chocolates? Wish there was some chocolates at home, but you don't have. Or maybe I had some superpower to, get the chocolates flying, and I get it for you.
Yeah.
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 When children want something they can't have, adults usually respond with logical explanations of why they can't have it. Often, the harder we explain, the harder they protest. Sometimes, just having someone understand how much you want something makes reality easier to bear. Always acknowledge and not deny the kid's feelings. Respecting the feelings is a key to win kids' heart. When a kid comes to you with a problem, for example, I lost my eraser, listen to them completely and carefully listen, always telling, I lost eraser, I lost pencil. Help them by identifying their emotion and then try to console them. Instead of lashing out or discouraging your kids' feelings, kindly empathize with their emotions. Convey to them that you will do your best to solve their problems. Give a solution in a gentle way so that your kid understands it. This would help the kid understand the situation and it will calm their minds. Even as an adult, we feel less stressed when we have someone who could listen to our problems. We don't always look for solutions in life, but we crave for someone who can empathize with us. It's the same for kids. So let's learn how to talk to our child and happy parenting. How many of you will follow this? Please comment below, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.